Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Farron and I'm the technology facilitator at David W. Butler High School. And this quick Tech Talk tutorial is about getting started with Canvas and how to set a homepage in your Canvas course. Now, some of you have a blueprinted course and some of you have a course you're doing from scratch. So I'm going to show you both ways and good practices, best practices for both. First thing you want to do is you want to go into your Canvas and select one of your courses. A couple things to note: if you have a blueprinted course, normally you'll see that in your blueprinted course, you'll have the little icon for CMS and probably also down here, these little icons for links. We're going to want to make sure that we test out the links and that they actually do what we want them to do. It's actually a best practice all the time to do that. And if you don't have that, if you have a blank course, then it'll look more like this. It'll have create a new module, it'll be completely blank. Also, by default, all classes are unpublished. You'll need to make sure you publish a course in order for your students to see it for the first day of school. Okay, so I'm going to start on this page just because this is a completely blank course, but then I'll move on and show you a couple other things. On the far right-hand side of your homepage, you have a Choose Homepage button. There are actually a couple different ways you can set up a homepage. You can have a course activity stream, which means every time you post something new, the newest thing goes on top. I don't necessarily recommend that. You have a front page, and if you notice right now, that is grayed out. That is because I haven't created a page in this course, and I haven't set what that page will be that faces the home page. In another moment, I'll show you when it's already set like that. Right now, this course is set to course modules. That means the link on the far left-hand side for modules is what populates on the front page. So if you make 5 modules, intro, lesson, module 1, unit 2, that is what's going to show on your home page. You can also make the homepage the assignment page. And again, it'll just be a list of assignments. I don't recommend that because before the end of the year, we're going to have a lot of assignments. It's going to take a really long time for that page to load. Or you can put your syllabus up. I personally prefer modules or homepage, front page as my preferred method, and I'll show you those examples in a few minutes. So if you want to see a homepage, this is a homepage. If you have a blueprinted course, you've already had it selected as your homepage. Your homepage is a page that was created to launch your page, introduce it to your kids, and to set up links that they can then go to. If you're going to do that, you simply will come down to Pages on the left-hand side. And then once you go to Pages, you're going to select All Pages. The one on top is your homepage. And when you click View All Pages, then you'll see all the pages that are in your course. If you want to change your page, maybe every time you start a new lesson, those 3 dot menus on the far right, when you click those, you can click Use as Front Page. Now, once you click that, it doesn't necessarily make that a front page until you go back to the front page and then select it's the home page. So it's kind of a 2-step process. You can change them at any time. While I'm on this, let me talk about best practices. Anytime you see this little multiple pages icon beside something, it is telling you that this was blueprinted into your course. So that is a good rule of thumb. Again, the green check mark is published or unpublished for all your items, and clicking over it will publish or unpublish the items. So if I want to change this from modules to a front page, I'm going to first have to go down into Pages and select this. Now, some of you are importing previous pages from last year. So if you're going to do that, you need to make sure that you update your links. Because if you pull in a page from last year and then you don't change the links are going to take the kids back to last year's course, which is going to deny them access because they're not in that course. So you simply create your page, title it homepage, whatever you want, then set it as your homepage, and then it will pop up there. Anytime during the school year, you can change that homepage, but you need to make sure you set those up. All right, happy teaching in Canvas.